Good morning, you guys. Good morning, Diamond Squad. How are you guys doing this Saturday morning? I am back with another set of jobs. For this video, it will be with this company called Insight Global. It's a remote position starting at $17 an hour to $18 an hour. It's a full-time job position, you guys. And the job role for this job will be a Tier 1 support technician. And the qualifications for this job is computer networking, 3 years required, call center for 3 years required, Cisco routers, 3 years required, and customer support, 3 years required. And the benefits of this job is 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, vision insurance. And the full job description is the things you must have for this job is minimum of 1 to 2 years in a network operations center or similar environment, experience supporting Cisco routers and switches, excellent troubleshooting and problem-solving skills, excellent customer service, enjoys working with a team environment, excellent communication, written and verbal, must be flexible on schedules, depending on front half to back half of the week, no overnight shifts. Pluses are day-to-day. This candidate will be responsible for supporting a variety of telepresence customers in a call center NOC environment. This support team covers every aspect of these telepresence unites from the network they run on codec, voice, video, etc. Day-to-day responsibilities include, but are not limited to, taking customer calls regarding any device issues, supporting voice and video technology, logging, troubleshooting, and documenting issues using internal ticketing systems, helping with backlog tickets. And the scheduling will be 8 hours shift. It's a full-time job position. And the application questions that we'll ask you on the Indeed.com website for this job, being with Tier 1 support being a taking on the role of Tier 1 support technician for this company called Insight Global is, what are the 7 layers of OSI model? Once again, these are the experiences. They added a couple more, so I'm going to go through straight with the experience once again. The computer networking, 3 years required. Call center, 3 years required. Cisco routers, 3 years required. Customer support, 3 years required. Cisco switches, 3 years required. And networking, 3 years required. And they're hiring for one candidate for this role. So it just got posted today, this Saturday, you guys. Jump on it. It's a great job. It's starting at $17 an hour through $18 an hour, you guys. This is with the company called Insight Global. And the job position would be Tier 1 support technician. Now, the second job will be this company called Parsons, and it's a remote position. And the job role is Telehealth Proctor for $14.23 an hour. It's a full-time job position. And with this job description that's down here, right here below it, this is what they need. In a world of possibilities, pursue one with endless opportunities. Imagine next. When it comes to what you want in your career, if you can imagine it, you can do it at Parsons. Imagine a career working with intelligent, diverse people sharing a common quest. Imagine a workplace where you can be yourself, where you can thrive, where you can find your next right now. We've got what you're looking for. Now, the job description down below, Parsons is hiring telehealth proctors to monitor self-administered COVID tests. Responsibilities: gather statistics and general data, reviews and combines this information into established reports for use within and outside the unit. Such reports may be in spreadsheets or graphical formats or narrative style Word documents. Must have a good customer service background. Be able to work at a computer all day conducting teams or a comparable video system to observe self-administered COVID tests. may be responsible for verifying data gathered, such as matching supplier invoices against file copies, prepares general correspondence and maintains general files, answers telephone, taking and relaying messages, receives, sorts, and distributes mail, may establish and maintain records of videos, including a log of testing service dates, may obtain basic data for completion of the units, and prepare associate recurring reports, performs other responsibilities associated with this position as may be appropriate. Now, the qualifications for this job is a high school diploma or equivalent, 1 year of relevant work experience, good general office practice skills are required, a demonstrated proficiency in keyboard skills as well as working knowledge of MS Windows and related word processing, spreadsheet, and database software is required. Must have residence with established, reliable, high-speed internet, must maintain a professional, quiet working environment. The minimum clearance required to start. The position is part of our Federal Solution team. Our Federal Solutions segment delivers resources to our U.S. government customers that ensures the success of missions around the globe. Our diverse, intelligent employees drive the state of art as they provide services and solutions in the areas of defense, security, intelligence, infrastructure, and environmental. We promote a culture of excellence and close-knit teams that take pride in delivering, protecting, and sustaining our nation's most critical assets from Earth to cyberspace. Throughout the company, our people are anticipating what's next to deliver the solutions our customers need now. This position pays a minimum hour rate of $14.23 an hour and a maximum hourly rate of $24.13 per hour, you guys. So, a position may require COVID vaccination or an approved accommodation exemption for a disability, medical condition, or regional religious belief as required by federal, state, provincial, or local mandates or customer requirements. Parsons is an equal opportunity employer committed to diversity, equality, equity, inclusion, and accessibility in the workplace. Diverse is ingrained in who we are, how we do business, and is one of our company's core values. Parsons equally employs representation at all job levels for minority, female, disabled, protected veterans, and LGBTQ+. We truly invest and care about our employees' well-being and provide endless growth opportunities as the sky's the limit. So aim for the stars, imagine next, and join the Parsons Quest. Apply now. It just got posted today. It doesn't say how many how many candidates that they're accepting for this position. So if you guys can, you can jump onto this Indeed link that I'm going to post below, and you guys can apply. So those are the 2 jobs for this morning, you guys. Come on, diamonds, keep on sparkling. You got this. Come on, opportunities knocking. Open those positive doors, you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sparkle and shine, sparkle and shine. Let's get it. I'll see you guys on the next video.